Welcome! Today we are looking at the 6 smartest, most profitable business models you can start in 2026 to build a $1 million company. Let's dive right in. First up, boring AI businesses. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT. The real money is in creating hyper-targeted tools that automate repetitive tasks for specific industries, like generating quotes for roofers. Next, hybrid wellness clubs. This model pairs physical products, like curated supplements, with digital coaching and community accountability. You aren't just selling fitness, you're selling a new identity and a sense of belonging. The third opportunity is home services. Think roofing or plumbing. Most of these businesses rely on word of mouth. If you apply modern tech, like digital ads and automated CRMs, you can easily dominate a local market. Fourth is social media consulting, but with a twist. Don't be a generalist. Pick one industry and one platform, like YouTube for fitness studios, and focus entirely on driving measurable revenue. When you prove ROI, clients never leave. Number 5, sustainable products. With new laws banning single-use plastics, businesses are scrambling to stay compliant. If you provide eco-friendly packaging solutions, you aren't just selling green products, you are selling legal survival. Finally, the pet care industry. This market is incredibly resilient and practically recession-proof. Owners feel immense guilt when they are busy, so they happily pay a premium for convenience, like wellness subscriptions or smart collars. To wrap up, the secret to all these businesses is solving specific problems, modernizing old industries, and focusing on real value. Pick one, build your systems, and start scaling your wealth today.